Bantu.
A true granddaughter of this land. And she's holding a soul. Others forget due to feelings and failure to control their moods. I am here for your help. Kinda seriously.
It is why a man and a female organ come together to form a zygote.
Numeula Dungu, the Lord of Hunting. I love sex, but I hate pregnancy. Her name is Sidra Munta, a true granddaughter of this land.
Oh, I remember the story of Tahir.
Don't tell me stories.
Why don't you apply traditional protector?
Being referred to it as bad omen. That was it. All bodies look milky and appeasing. We all have one home, my dear.